Hello students, we are discussing about that why the organic chemistry is a study of carbon. You know that organic chemistry is a study of organic compounds. And what are organic compounds are? In all the organic compound, what is the main element is? What is the chief element is? That is carbon. As well as some other elements are there. But organic compounds are made up of carbon, which is the most essential element found in all the organic compound. Fine. And some other element present in the organic compounds are like sulfur or hydrogen or halogens or nitrogen and oxygen. But organic compound is mainly the compound of carbon. Now why it is like this? See, carbon has got the unique property of catenation property. Means carbon atom can combine with themselves and they can form a very massive chain. And this chain can be a straight chain or it can be a branching. Like in some compound there can be so many rigorous branching is there. So we can have a straight chain, we can have so many branching as well as we can have the cyclic ring structures. So this is the unique property of carbon itself. And no other element is showing such a extensive catenation property. And because of this only, that's why organic compound are having very complex structure, very massive structures. Like some of the organic compound are very simple and some of the organic compound are having very complex, very massive structure. Like you can take some of the few example like DNA. DNA, which is deoxyribonucleic acid, is an organic compound purely, and it has got a very complex structure, and it is responsible for the genetic transference from one generation to the another generation, and it has got a very complex structure. So it is organic compound, and proteins, which are the vital constituent of our body, of the blood, skin, and muscle. So all of these are organic compounds. So you can see that organic compound are mainly the compound of carbon because carbon has got this catenation property. Fine. See, organic compounds, substance can be divided into two parts. That is organic compound and inorganic compound. But what are organic compound? Are basically organic compound are compound of carbon and they are being obtained from directly or indirectly from living sources like plant or animals. While the inorganic compounds are obtained from like inorganic substance like rocks and minerals. Fine. So some of the very good example are like most of the substance that we use in common life, like clothes and perfumes and dyes and polymers and medicine and fuels. All of these are organic compounds. All of these are organic compounds. Fine. And like sugars, proteins, carbohydrate, vitamins. All of these are organic compounds, and they mainly contain carbon in them. Fine. While inorganic compounds are obtained from the non-living substance like rocks and minerals like sulfuric acid or like marble or like potassium nitrate. So all of these are inorganic compounds. But the basic reason is that, and organic compounds are essential, very much essential for the maintenance of the life and for the growth of the life. Fine. So that's why this is the reason is that organic compounds are the compounds of carbon, and carbon is tetravalent. So carbon can easily combine with four other elements, and due to catenation property, it can form a very massive long chain, and that's why the answer of the question is that organic compounds are the compounds of carbon, right?